I hope that you are all fit and fine. So now beta, open your textbook. Means take out your textbook. Okay, with register and pen or pencil. So now open your textbook and page number 112. 112. So now today our topic is adjective and its degrees of an adjective. Adjective is a word which qualify a noun or pronoun. Means adjective is the word indicates the adjective tell us about the noun or pronoun. Adjective tell us about the noun or pronoun. So now today our topic is adjective and its degrees. First of all we will learn adjective and degrees, and otherwise after all you solve the exercise on page number 12. You solve yourself better. So now first of all I teach you adjective and its degrees. What is an adjective? First of all, adjective. Adjective and its degrees. Okay. Now I will write definition. Definition, not the definitions. Adjective and adjective is a word which qualify a noun or pronoun. And an adjective is a word which qualify a noun or pronoun. Do you know what a noun and pronoun? Noun is the name of a person, place, things or an animal. Noun is the name of a person, place, things or an animal. And pronoun is the word which is used instead of a noun in next place of a noun. Other definition beta are adjective. Adjective tell us about noun or pronoun. Right beta? Okay. So beta, examples. Example of an adjective. Okay. She is an intelligent girl. Now beta, she is a pronoun and she we use for a girl beta. So now she is a girl. She is a girl. So now in the sentence she is an intelligent girl. And is the article, intelligent is an adjective. Because intelligent tell us about the girl beta. About the girl means she is a girl. I know you know beta. But which girl? She is an intelligent girl. Intelligent tell us about the girl beta. So intelligent is an adjective. An adjective is a word which qualify a noun or pronoun. Other definition, adjective tell us about the noun or pronoun. Example, she is an intelligent. Many more. He is a good boy. This is a beautiful flower. Beautiful is an adjective. Degrees of an adjective. Degrees of an adjective. Okay. Three degrees of an adjective. Right, beta? First is positive degree. Second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. Right, beta? Okay, now adjective tell us about the noun or pronoun and degrees of an adjective. Three degrees of an adjective: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degrees. Right, beta? So now positive degree. Positive degree is a simple form of an adjective. Positive degree is a simple form of an positive degree is a simple form of an adjective. Right, beta? This simple form of an adjective is used when no comparison of an adjective is used. Which beta is used when no comparison. Used when no comparison. Right, beta is used when no comparison. Right, beta? Okay. Means example, beta. Same, she is an intelligent girl. Now, beta, positive degree is a simple form of an adjective. Means an adjective is used when no comparison. Is used when no comparison. So now she is an intelligent girl. She is an intelligent, no comparison. She, any other person or name or noun or pronoun. Now, beta, second. Now, beta, second comparative degree. Right, beta? This form of an adjective. This form of an adjective. Form of an adjective when two things are the when two things are the same kind or class. Same kind or class are compared. Right, beta? Now look at adjective and its degrees. An adjective is a word which qualify a noun or pronoun. Yeah, adjective tell us about the noun or pronoun. She is an intelligent girl. Degrees of an adjective, 3 degrees of an adjective: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degrees. Positive degree is a simple form of an adjective. It is used when no comparison any other place, person, thing. And a comparative degree, this form of an adjective when two things of the same kind of class are compared. Same kind of class are compared are called comparative degree. Right, beta? Hurry up. Right now, I example of comparative degree. Example, comparative degree beta means she is more intelligent than her brother. Right, बेटा? She is वो अधिक होशियार है पांचे भागा. Right? Same class and same kind, बेटा. Comparison between two things: she and her brother. She is more intelligent than her brother. Now number third is superlative degree. Right, beta? Now third degree of an adjective. Superlative is the highest degree of quality. Superlative degree is the highest. Is the highest degree of quality. It is used when more than two. It is used when more than two things of the same class. More than two things of the same class or persons are compared. That is called superlative degree. Superlative degree is the highest degree of quality. It is used when more than two things of the same class or persons are compared. That is called comparative degree. Means she is most intelligent than other students. Right, beta? She is most intelligent than other students. Right, beta? More than two things of the same class or persons are compared. Right? यहाँ Iqbal is the most intelligent man I have ever seen. She is most intelligent girl I have ever seen. Example, she is most intelligent girl, intelligent girl, I have ever seen. Right, beta? So now 3 degrees of an adjective: positive, comparative, superlative, positive, no comparison, any other kind of percentage things means no comparison. It's a simple form of an adjective. Comparative degree is this form of an adjective when two things of the same kind of class are compared. Right, beta? She and her brother. Compare between she and her brother. Superlative is the highest degree of quality. Is the highest degree of quality. It is used when more than two things of the same class or persons are compared. She is the most intelligent girl I have ever seen, beta. And now make the comparative and superlative degrees. Means more than syllables are more than two. Means intelligent. We add comparative degree, we made the more, and superlative most. Now begin. Now beta last एक word हम लोग consonant compare हम देखो vowel हम लोग तो देखो समझो consonant हम लोग उन्हें डबल करना है वो संगे er जड़ी है comparative and superlative BIDDEST. Right, beta? के जे वर्ड जा सिलेबल वधिक होना जे इंटेलिजेंट, ब्यूटीफुल, many more, beta. Clever. So we made a comparative degree more and a superlative we add most. And जे एडजेक्टिव जो लास्ट जे को जे पुत्र कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड जे कॉन्सोनेंट जे जी जी एम ना पेरो शाव जे बिफोर कॉन्सोनेंट एज अ वावेल सो double the consonant word letter and after er and est. Now gr hot. Beta hot. Consonant and vowel. Double T. Hotter. Hottest. Right, beta? And then okay. Open your textbook and page number 120. Written exercises. Finish these sentences. Be careful to use them. This is the slowest train I have ever travelled on. Slow. Yesterday was dash hot, beta. The hottest day we have had this year. So this exercise solve yourself, beta. Okay. And now for. For is a preposition. For is a preposition. Right? I have been here for 2 hours. Okay. She bought the pen for 5 rupees. She gave 5 rupees for it. Exercise. Turn to page 113. Finish these sentences by adding a phrase beginning with for. He waited for 2 hours. How much did you pay money for 2 months? Thank you very much. Thank you very much for waiting. Now beta, today our topic today our topic is adjective and its degrees. Adjective and 3 degrees of an adjective. Once again I will tell you orally. Adjective tell us about the noun or pronoun. Yeah, adjective is a word which qualify a noun or pronoun to show its relationship in a oh no sorry beta. An adjective is a word which qualify a noun or pronoun means सिफ़त वो लफ़्ज़ हूंदो आहे जेको असांखे इस्म जे या ज़मीर जे बाबति ॿुधाईंदो आहे त उहो कीअं आहे छा आहे छा न आहे मीन्स ही कमु करे थो ही वर्क्स ही कमु करे थो सिंपल ही वर्क्स केयरफुल ही इज़ केयरफुल वर्कर हीअ ख़बरदार ध्यान वारो कमु कंदड़ आहे केयरफुल इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव बेटा एंड शी इज़ अ गर्ल वो एक छोकरी है बट शी इज़ अ गुड गर्ल सो गुड टेल अस अबाउट दी गर्ल बेटा ओके सो गुड इज़ an adjective right and degrees of an adjective 3 degrees of an adjective positive comparative and superlative degree. Positive degree is a simple form of an adjective when used when no comparison right beta simple form means adjective and comparative degree is comparison between this form adjective when used when two things of the same kind or class are compared. बिन शयुनि जे विच में पुट भेट कंपेरिज़न सुपरलेटिव डिग्री पुट उन जो ॿिन खां वधीक शयुनि ॿिन खां वधीक साॻी क्लास जी शयुनि में छा हुजे पुट भेट हुजे कंपेरिज़न हुजे नाउ बेटा एक्सरसाइज पेज नंबर 112 and the we use also superlative degree beta the we use also superlative degree right beta okay so now beta today our topic has finished I hope that you are all will understand so tomorrow I will meet you again new topic and new lesson so thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.